Today we have with us Gagneet Kaur. She is a student of IIT BS degree and she is a national level award winner of Data Sphere in Avarnia 1.0 organized by LBSIM Delhi. She is a multi-talented person, so we'll get to know her interests, her journey of IIT BS degree. So hi Gagneet, how are you today?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
If you can share your brief background.
Sure. I'm from Himachal Pradesh, and I started this degree. Like I enrolled in this degree in the first batch itself, January 2021. I have done my Bachelor of Arts in Political Science as well, alongside this degree. And I have completed it in 2023. This degree is still going on. Currently, I'm in the degree level. I did Bachelor of Arts, but I had science in my 11th and 12th. I had this dream of doing BTech, but then paths, changed and
Yeah.
then got into BS degree. But it's similar to that, and I am very happy to be doing this degree. Like it has paved many paths for me for my career.
You are from the very first batch of IIT BS. How was your journey?
It was great. I mean, so many ups and downs were there, and I remember in April 2021, um, IITM BS launched this house system,
Yes.
and I am in Corbett House. So I elected for group leader first, got selected as a group leader, and then elected for a secretary for the Corbett House. It was an amazing experience. I mean, I learned how to be a leader for being like it's an online degree and it's very difficult to manage,
Yes.
but somehow by meetings and by having good conversations, it was all sorted, and I made very good friends from my house council as well, and they are still my friends. So the journey was very great.
That is great to hear, Gagni, that you held a leadership position in the degree as well. I have come across your notes actually. So they are really famous, right? So do you have anything to say? At some point they come across your notes and they are like really happy that yes, I came across Gagneet Kaur's notes. So how was the journey? Like you have made so nice notes and made it so easy for everyone.
I mean, yeah, this thing was something like everyone knows me because of the notes. They might have not seen me, but they know, okay, there exists some Gagneet Kaur. They even don't know
Yeah.
that Gagneet is a girl or a boy. So, and in the March 2021, I was in the WhatsApp group, and they were like, okay, we need notes and all. And I was making notes for myself. So I shared my notes. I just clicked pictures of first week, second week, and then shared in the group. And they were like, they are very good. Share us some more notes, like for the next weeks as well. I was super
Yeah.
excited to share my notes, and I was like, okay, I have to share. Like this became my responsibility. The appreciations I got from all over the BS degree, all the students, it was so overwhelming. I mean, I can't even express in words.
Being honest, I myself used your notes during my foundational level because I had like four subjects in one term. So I could not really, spend time in making my own notes. So what I did, I used your notes and I used to annotate on them. So I'm really grateful to you for that, and I'm really happy that I could actually interview you today. So
I'm
yeah,
so glad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
yeah. Since you're at the degree level of IIT and BS, so how has your academic learning experience of IIT and BS been for you?
One thing which I appreciate the most is the curriculum. Like the curriculum is designed so well. I can't see, like, I have been this person who is always against the education system, that it's all about cramming and
Yeah.
memorizing. But then in this BS degree, it felt like no, you have to learn the concept, only then you will be able to crack it. Else, it's just you won't be able to move on to the next level.
Yes.
So this actually, make you learn better, and it's not just memorizing. You have to study. You have to submit the assignments. You have to do it yourself. Else, it's just you can't go ahead. They have really made it an IIT thing. Like it's not they have made like a funnel. Okay, entry is easy, but then you have to move on, you have to struggle, and you have to do hard work to get to the degree level.
Degree level. So Gagneet, like since you also had another degree going on with IIT MBS, so how was the experience of managing two things together?
Okay, let me tell you, like I can say it was that in school, I'm an athlete and I had two things. I am a basketball player as well as I was an athlete also for 1500 and 800 meters. So I had to practice two times, in the morning and the evening as well. In the morning I had athletics practice. 8 to 3 I had my school. Then at 4:30 I had my basketball practice again.
Okay.
So till 7:30, and then by 8 I reached my home, and then I had to do my homework. I did it before I did it again.
Yeah.
That was the thing.
Of course, of course. So at some point in life, you have to, learn to manage things parallelly. Currently, you won this data sphere, right? So if you can share your experience with that, how did you come to know about that, and how was the journey of it?
There's a platform called Unstop. So I went there and I searched for the competitions, and I came through this data sphere. I just registered. I was like, okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
So I registered. They had their prelims, like for shortlisting a few people that will come offline to Delhi.
Right.
So, like me and my teammate Khalid, we prepared a slide presentation.
Right.
And they liked it and they selected us, and they called us that, okay, you have to come for the finals to Delhi. We went there, we gave our presentation, and like there were a few mistakes which judges pointed out, but I was very glad that judges were like in real time. They gave us the feedback on our presentation, and they told us that, okay, this is how it's done and this is not how it's done. And this made me learn more about how business presentations are made. So yeah, that was it. And then when it was the prize ceremony, we were sitting there. There were other people also. There was a team from IIT Delhi.
Okay.
And we were like, okay, let's see. I mean, IIT Delhi is also there.
Yeah.
So first prize, I don't remember. No, sorry, third. It's starting from third prize. So third prize, I don't remember which team it was. We were like, okay, like at least third prize. Let's see. Because it was our first competition.
Right.
Third prize gone. We were like, okay, no, second prize. Then second prize to IIT Delhi. We were like, okay, if IIT Delhi is getting second prize, then then we lost hope. Then we were sitting like this, and suddenly when for the first prize they called Gagneet Kaur, and we were like,
that would be a very exhilarating experience in all. So it's very great to hear that, Gagneet, and very big congratulations from the whole BS degree team. So would you like to emphasize on the importance of trying to apply what you learned into solving problems, be it real world problems or getting some hands-on experience?
Yeah, sure. I mean, one I already like told you that.
Yeah.
Because I did a BDM capstone project, so that was a really great help for me to crack this particular competition and win it. Other things I would say that I would really appreciate the Python course. I mean, the way it's taught, it really helped me, become a good Python programmer, a machine learning practice. The lectures were very good. Like if you watch lecture, like very dedicatedly with complete focus, then you can easily crack the OPPs and even the project. The project was great. I mean, I enjoyed the project a lot, the MLP project. And then the Viva of MLP is something that actually prepares you for interviews. They have, I must thank the BS degree that they have made it this way. So the weekly assignments, the quizzes, they are molding us in a way that we are getting prepared for the next step.
That is great to hear, Gagneet. And of course, yes, the courses, the curriculum is very nicely structured. And so, Gagneet, overall, like if you would like to give any suggestion, be it academic suggestion or in general to the students who are watching this or the BS degree students, what would that be? Yeah.
Watch lectures, do the assignments. If you're not able to do the assignments, watch lectures again and refer to the resources which are on YouTube or internet. You can read articles, blogs. They help you a lot. Because only lectures won't help you to gain the knowledge.
Yes.
You have to work yourself, so you have to find it yourself. This is all about the academic thing. Other, I would say, networking is very important. I mean, it actually paves your path to a very,
Yes,
it
yes.
opens your doors to many different opportunities.
Thank you so much, Gagni. Your journey is really, really inspiring. I'm pretty sure all the students who will be watching this, they will really be inspired, motivated, and the insights, they'll get valuable insights about the degree and more importantly about life as a whole. Thank you so much for taking out your time, Gagni.
Thank you so much for having me here.